A very good morning to you all. Today, I'm not going to discuss the question answers of Block 11. Instead, I'll be one of Block 12 is present in front of you. Tomorrow, you will get your discussion video in the morning of Block 11 and revision test in the evening. So prepare yourself, take your time, read the questions carefully, and then attempt your test. Got it for today? Get ready with your content book, notebook, worksheet, and the stationery that is required. So, as usual, I will ask you a question. Now, you have seen that in some places, girls are not allowed to come out of their houses or even go to the schools. How do you think the condition of girls can improve? Write your comments in the comment section. Got it? The condition of girls can be improved by making education compulsory and educating them. Now, how it is started in the modern era. Today, we will learn about the two social and religious reformers, Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. Got it? Now, to do means to make the learning effective, what you will do. First of all, we will describe or we will learn the reforms made by Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. And for that, you need to draw a flow chart. Flow chart for each social reformer. Example, you will get in the next slide. And after that, you will read the section Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. Like this, you need to make the flow chart. And in that flow chart, you will fill two social, two religious, and two educational reforms made by Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Vidyasagar. Got it? I had given you the work. Now you can complete the work, make the flow chart or make the chart, fill it up, come back again and join me. I am ready with few of the questions and I hope you are ready with the answers. I hope you are done. Now tell me, who founded the Brahmo Samaj? Raja Ram Mohan Roy founded the Brahmo Samaj. Which evil practices did the Brahmo Samaj fight against? Brahmo Samaj fight against social evils such as sati, caste discrimination, child marriage, and to promote women's education and widow remarriage. What did Vidyasagar do to improve the condition of women in the society? Vidyasagar opposed child marriage and ill treatment of widows. He opened schools for girls and admitted non-Brahmins as a school to the Sanskrit college. What did he do against caste discrimination? So for the caste discrimination, he was against the caste discrimination. So he got admitted, means he gave admission to the non-Brahmins also in the Sanskrit college. What were the contributions of Raja Ram Mohan Roy to the society? And what were the contributions of Vidyasagar to the society? Raja Ram Mohan Roy set up the Brahmo Samaj, which promoted women's education and widow remarriage. It discouraged superstitions and evil practices and encouraged English education. Vidyasagar opposed caste discrimination, allowed the non-Brahmins to study Sanskrit and Vedic text. He opened many schools for girls and favored widow remarriage. Got it? Now, which social evils are still present in our society? Social evils like gender discrimination, caste discrimination, the dowry system, and many more are existing still in our society. You can focus on more social evils, and that you will write down in the comment section. After listening this, you will read the section one more time and complete your S1 in workbook and practice question 1 to 3 and related additional question in notebook. Thank you, and prepare well for your revision.